Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to focus on long division. The model problem is 33,988 divided by 4. I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So we're going to start off looking for the number within the number. We want to divide by the smallest number possible to start. 3 is too small. The number inside the square has to be equal to or bigger than the number outside the square. So 3 would be too small. 33 works. So we're going to start off doing 33 divided by 4. When I say divided by, I mean we're going to figure out how many groups of 4 we can fit into the number 33. So I'm going to start counting by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups, but I'm not done yet. 24, 28, 32. Now if I count by 4 again, I'll be at 36, and that's too far. But I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups of 4 within the number 33. So 8 is what I'm going to write over here. And I'm writing my 8 above the second 3 over here. Very important that you line up the numbers. 4 goes into 33 8 times. I was able to count by 4 8 times to get within 33. Now, since 32 was the closest I could get to 33 without going over, that's what we need to subtract. We need to do 33 minus 32. (33 minus 32 equals 1. There is a remainder of 1. Now I'm going to bring down the next number. I'm bringing down the 9. That 1 becomes a 19. Now I'm going to figure out how many groups of 4 go into 19. 4, that's 1 group. 8, 2 groups. 12, 3 groups. 16, 4 groups. Now if I count by 4 again, I'll be at 20. That is too far. But I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 4 within 19. So I'm going to write a 4 above the 9. And because 16 was the closest I could get to 19 without passing 19, 16 is what I have to subtract. 19 minus 16 equals 3. So now my next step, I bring down the 8. So now I have to figure out how many groups of 4 I can get within 38. I could erase and start from the beginning, or I could keep going. Keeping going is more efficient. So 4, 8, 12, 16. I have 4 groups of 4 so far. If I keep counting by 4, 20, that's 5 groups. 24, that's 6 groups. 28, 7 groups. 32, 8 groups. 36, 9 groups of 4. If I count by 4 again, I will be at 40, which is too far. But I was able to count by 4 9 times. And I was able to get 9 groups of 4 within 38. So the 9 is what goes above this number. So now 38 minus 36. I should have left more room. I should have definitely left more room, but going to make the best of it. So 38 minus 36 equals 2. Now my next step, I bring down the final number. 2 becomes 28. I have to figure out how many groups of 4 I can get within 28. So counting by 4s, 4, 1 group of 4. 8, I'm now at 2 groups of 4. 12, now I'm at 3 groups of 4. 16, now I'm at 4 groups of 4. 20, now I'm at 5 groups of 4. 24, now I'm at 6 groups of 4. 28, now I am at 7 groups of 4. I counted by 4 7 times to get to 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 28 divided by 4 equals 7. There is no remainder. We landed right on 28. 28 minus 28 equals 0. And we have our final answer. 33,988 divided by 4 equals 8,497. That, boys and girls, is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video, and if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I'll do a future video on that skill. Shout out to everybody tuning in. I was going to end the video, but because we have more people watching, I will do one more problem. I'm going to do one more problem. All right, 40,005 divided by 5. As you can see, I made sure that I'd have plenty of room here. All right, so we want to divide by the smallest. We're looking for the number within the number. We want to start with the smallest number possible. And the rule is the number inside the square has to be equal to or bigger than the number outside the square. 4 is too small. 40 works. 40 divided by 5. So I'm going to see how many groups of 5 I can get within 40. 5, that's 1 group of 5. 10, 2 groups of 5. 15, 3 groups of 5. 20, we are now at 4 groups of 5. 25, we are at 5 groups of 5. 30, we are at 6 groups of 5. 35, we are at 7 groups of 5. 40, we are at 8 groups of 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 40 divided by 5 equals 8. I'm going to erase all the skip counting I did over there. Here we go. Now I landed right on 40. There was no remainder, so 40 is what we subtract. 40 minus 40 equals 0. Now I'm going to bring down the 0, and we still have 0. Now 0 goes into 5 0 times. 5 divided by 0 equals 0. We were not able to get any groups of 5 within 0, so 0 minus 0 equals 0. We're going to go to the next number now. Bringing down the 0, again we have a 0 there. Again, we can't get any groups of 5 within 0. 5 divided by 0 equals 0 again, so we're going to put a 0 up there. 0 minus 0 equals 0. Going to bring down the 5 now. The new number becomes a 5. So now we're going to do 5 divided by 5. If I count by 5s, 5, already there. I'm able to get one group of 5 within 5. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. And there is no remainder. We landed right on the number. 5 minus 5 equals 0. And we have our final answer. 40,005 divided by 5 equals 8,001. Now that concludes my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video, and if there's an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri, signing off.